Welcome back, learners. Now let's wrap up our lesson. Today's focus was on tariffs and specifically the bank tariff as well as the transport tariff. The words that we covered was a debit, which we explained as the amount of money going out of an account. We had an example where an expense of buying food or paying a telephone account. Credit, amount that is coming into the account. For an example, an income such as a wage or an interest earned. Distance, the physical length between 2 points. For an example, the distance between Johannesburg and Durban. An odometer, an instrument used to indicate the distance traveled. For an example, traveling 4,631 kilometers. A tariff, which is a charge in rands per measuring unit of a specific service such as transport and bank charges. For an example, paying 5 rand per kilometer traveled. The common errors that we might find ourselves making is not applying the return trip calculation. Remember, when you are told that someone is going on a trip from Johannesburg to Durban, and they did not mention anything about returning from that trip, it means it's only a single trip, so they're only going. So the cost for that trip is only multiplied once. But if they say a person is taking a return trip from a certain place to another, then it means the cost should be multiplied by 2. Correct calculation of discounted amounts but not subtracting at the end. So when we use the method of multiplying by the given percentage of discount, then we have a tendency of not subtracting that discount at the end, especially if they want the discounted amount. The percentage increase and decrease application. Percentage increase, this is where when they said, like we did with Mr. Mbele's package deal, they said we had a discount of 20%. So when we say percentage increase, if it was a percentage increase, it means the price was increased by 20%. Then we'll say 100 plus 20%, which gives us 120%. If it's a decrease, then we say 100 minus 20, which gives us 80%. This is the application we're talking about. Then this is a question that I want you to do. Zintle made the following transactions. Zintle made 2 deposits of 750 at a bank ATM. She made another deposit of 3,000 at a branch. Then she made a withdrawal of 850 at an ATM. Now calculate Zintle's fees. So we have to look at this fee structure and check whether do we have the parts thereof or don't we have that, because that is the most important part when you're analyzing a fee structure. So I hope you will enjoy working on this question, and I hope you get it right because you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you again next time.